Alright, we are currently leaving the store. This is a test video. Yes, it's really a test video. We're trying a power inverter. I've had one in my car here, my Jeep. Many vehicles nowadays come with them, as you may very well know. Anyway, so I'm trying this one. It's a little bit different, and the reason this is a test video is because the fan on this is a little loud. It's not as loud as some that I've heard, but wow. Anyway, so if you don't hear it, that's a good thing. Seriously. So, this is the end of my test video. Thank you.